Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in product reviews.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for any car enthusiast: Adam's Mega Foam Car Wash Soap.
But hold on, this isn't just any car wash soap, it's also the best rust remover for chrome available in the market. Now, what sets Adam's Mega Foam apart from the rest? It's not just about cleaning your car. It's about preserving that showroom shine while tackling tough contaminants like rust on chrome surfaces.
Let's break down the features. First up, Mega Foam creates a massive amount of thick, lubricating suds. With its 10 times concentration formula, it's like bathing your car in a blanket of foam that lifts away dirt without scratching the surface. Plus, it's safe for all exterior surfaces, including chrome.
But here's the kicker. While Mega Foam goes to work on dirt and grime, it's also working as the ultimate rust remover for chrome. Thanks to its advanced cleaning agents and polymers, Mega Foam tackles rust spots without damaging your chrome finish. And the best part? Mega Foam won't strip your wax or ceramic coating. That means you can wash your car with confidence, knowing that your protective layers are staying put while rust gets shown the door. So there you have it, folks. Adam's Mega Foam Car Wash Soap isn't just your average car wash soap.
It's the ultimate rust remover for chrome, ensuring that your ride stays looking pristine with every wash.
Don't settle for anything less than the best. Pick up a bottle of Adam's Mega Foam today and experience the difference for yourself. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.